we will study the growth models. What are growth models? On the availability of resources, the survival of an organism changes. On the basis of that, two growth models are there. The exponential growth curve and the logistic growth curve. Now, what is exponential growth curve? Suppose in a population, in a habitat, the number of resources are unlimited. That is, there is no competition between the organisms. What will happen in that situation? The number of resources are unlimited, but the population is restricted. So there will be no competition, that is abundant survival. The population will increase exponentially because there is no competition for the resources. As we say, the resources are unlimited. So in the exponential growth curve, we assume that the resources are unlimited. Now we form an equation with this. The change in population in a given time is equal to Rn. N was the population density. What is R? R is the intrinsic growth factor. What is intrinsic growth factor? Births minus death in a particular time. So this results in this graph, the exponential growth. In the first case, in the exponential growth case, we assume that the resources were unlimited. Now in the logistic growth curve, as we know, it is not possible in a particular habitat to have unlimited resources for a given population. So in logistic growth curve, we assume that there is a certain amount of resources available. Logistic growth curve is also known as Verhel's Pearl logistic growth curve. In this, as we have assumed that the resources are limited, so the living population will have competition, that is, there will be a decline in the population or the fittest will survive. On that basis, we make a graph. For logistic growth curve, we define K, that is the carrying capacity. Now what is carrying capacity? Carrying capacity is the availability of resources for a natural habitat, for the survival, for the minimum survival of a population. Now in this, we derive the equation as dN upon dt is equals to K, that is the carrying capacity minus the population density, the recent population density upon the recent population density, that results into this graph. This is the carrying capacity. The graph cannot exceed the carrying capacity. Why? Because the resources are limited for a population. So there will be competition and the carrying capacity cannot be exceeded. We studied that in a particular habitat, if the resources are unlimited, अगर unlimited resources हैं तो population में competition बहुत कम हो जाएगा. Competition कम होगा तो population growth exponential हो जाएगी. तो उसका graph कैसा होगा? This shows exponential growth. और इसकी इक्वेशन dN upon dt is equals to Rn, where R is the intrinsic rate of natural growth. Now we come to the real life. Real life में कोई भी ऐसी habitat नहीं है जहाँ पर resources unlimited हो. तो ऐसा कर्व होता है logistic growth कर्व. According to logistic growth curve, in a habitat the resources are limited. Limited to what extent कि जहाँ जो population वहाँ पे रहती है उनके survival के लिए वो optimum हो. तो graph कैसा बनेगा उसमें? We receive a sigmoid graph जिसमें initial phase is the lag phase, then an acceleration phase, deceleration and finally asymptote. अब ये क्या है? ये है carrying capacity. Now what is K? What is carrying capacity? The minimum, the optimal amount of resources for a population to survive. Now अब लॉजिस्टिक ग्रोथ कर्व में क्योंकि रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड है, पॉपुलेशन में कंपटीशन होगा, तो जो फिटेस्ट होगा वही सर्वाइव करेगा. अब जो पॉपुलेशन की ग्रोथ है वो कैरिंग कैपेसिटी को एक्सीड नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज दिस इज द मैक्सिमम लिमिट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल. Logistic growth curve is also known as Verhulst-Perl logistic growth curve. What are the three phases in logistic growth curve? The initial lag phase. Then comes the acceleration part where the growth of the population is accelerated, this part. Then comes the deceleration. And finally asymptote, where it is meeting the carrying capacity of the habitat. Now we represent this graph in the equation dn upon dt is equals to Rn into k minus n upon n. R is the intrinsic growth factor, K is the carrying capacity. तो ऐसा कर्व क्यों आया हमारे पास? क्योंकि रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड है, कैरिंग कैपेसिटी। अब रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड है तो कंपटीशन होगा, तो जो फिटेस्ट होगा वही सर्वाइव करेगा। अब पॉपुलेशन कैसे ग्रो करेगी वो हमें इस ग्राफ से पता चला, एंड द ग्राफ इज सिग्मोइड ग्राफ। Now these are the basic features of the logistic growth curve. Let us revise. In the exponential growth curve, the resources are unlimited, but it was an assumption. Real life में ऐसी कोई भी habitat नहीं है जहाँ पर resources unlimited हों। अब logistic growth curve क्या कहता है? Limited resources हैं, resources limited होंगे मतलब population में competition होगा तो who will win? The fittest will survive.